Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up multiple time zone clocks on Windows. First, begin by opening your computer's date and time settings. You can easily find this by searching in the Start menu. Once there, look for the Additional Clocks tab. This is where you will manage all your extra time zone displays. Windows allows you to add up to 2 extra clocks, which is perfect for keeping track of different regions. Now let's add those extra clocks. For each clock you wish to display, simply check the box that says Show this clock. Then, from the drop-down menu, carefully select the specific time zone you need. It's important to choose accurately. Finally, give each clock a clear, descriptive name. This helps you quickly identify which region each clock represents, making your daily tasks much smoother. Once you have selected your time zones and named them, remember to click the Apply button to save your changes. After applying, click OK to close the settings window. Your new clocks are now active. If your needs change, you can always return to these settings to easily edit the names, change the time zones, or remove any of the additional clocks you have set up. It's very flexible. Accessing your newly configured clocks is incredibly simple. Just move your mouse cursor over the system clock located in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. A small tooltip will immediately appear, showing you the current time for all your added time zones. This quick access is extremely useful for anyone coordinating across different regions, helping you manage meetings and communications efficiently without needing to open any applications.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.